The Sc400 came stock with the Nakamichi sound system, but whenever I played music, the quality didn't sound good, so it's time to take the door apart and see what's going on. Turns out that the Nakamichis were replaced with these 4-inch crunch speakers, which you can get the pair online for $20. No good, they gotta go. We're installing the Pioneer TS-G400. Alright, so we're just gonna test it out and make sure it works. Now we just have to lock it in place and we're all set. Alright, well that does it for this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, leave a comment down below, holla at your koala, I'm out.